Welcome back to the Dixie Belle YouTube channel. I'm back today with another makeover, and also I've got another brand new colour to show you. Yes, welcome back to the Dixie Belle YouTube channel. I'm Connie from Faff Designs and I'm one of your Dixie Belle brand ambassadors. In the makeover today, I've got this little hallway console table to make over, and I'm going to be using a brand new chalk mineral paint shade from Dixie Belle called Heirloom. First up, we're going to do a little bit of prep work. As always, I'm going to start with cleaning. It's very important not to skip this step. Dixie Belle's White Lightning Cleaner is a degreasing and deglossing cleaner, meaning that you can just usually clean your piece and rinse it off and you're ready to paint once it's dry. However, sometimes pieces need just a little bit more help. As you can see, this is quite a glossy, shiny finish. And I don't really fancy sanding all that off. There was a little bit of damage to the very front leg where it had clearly been knocked or banged and the varnish was flaking off. So I just sanded that super smooth so that I couldn't feel any of the flaking varnish. And then I'm going to use this hero product called Bond Emboss. So this product is Dixie Belle's 2-in-1 primer, and it's going to do a few things. It's really the only primer that you'll ever need. It's water-based and it comes in 3 different colours. You can get this in clear, white and grey. So this product blocks bleed through, which is something that happens when you paint over wood and the tannins in the wood leach through and discolour your paint. The other thing this does is act as an adhesion primer. So as you can see, this console table is a very shiny, glossy finish, even when I've cleaned it with Dixie Belle's White Lightning Cleaner. And my paint isn't going to like gripping onto that too well. So all I need to do with this is apply 2 coats over this, let it dry for 24 hours, and then you can paint directly over the top of your primer, and that will provide adhesion and get your paint to stick and be durable on your surface. So this doesn't have to just be used on wood. You can use this on glass, metal, plastic and laminate to provide adhesion for your paint to grip to. Now for the fun part, we can add some colour onto this console table. As I mentioned, I'm going to be using a brand new shade of chalk mineral paint from Dixie Belle called Heirloom. It's a deep, rich, dual-toned teal with black undertones. Try saying that after you've had a drink or two. What a mouthful. Anyway, as you can see, this colour is absolute perfection. I am painting this over a light primer, and I have used a little spritz of water in order to get my paint to go on nice and smoothly, because I'm just going to do a one colour finish on this piece so that you get to see the colour. So when you are painting a dark colour over a light primer or vice versa, your first coat is always going to look a little bit scary and a little bit patchy. Don't worry about that. Just make sure you get a nice even coat on, and then your coverage is going to come from your second coat. Once you've left the first coat to dry, now it's time to get that rich intensity from this dual toned colour and get on with the second coat. As you can see, it's really intensifying that deep shade and it's giving full coverage. So I only needed to do 2 coats of this colour to get that really beautiful rich teal. Now for my top coats, I do enjoy using wax to finish pieces off. However, I feel like with this being a console table, it might need a little bit more protection, especially on the top. I can just imagine keys being thrown on it and all sorts. So I'm going to use Dixie Belle's Satin Clear Coat. I'm applying it with a synthetic brush. You can roller this on as well, but I've got some detail on the legs that I'm going to need to get into with a brush, so I'm just going to apply it with a brush. Same goes for this. A few thin, even coats is going to work much better than trying to get full coverage first time. Here's a few close-ups of the finished look. I think this colour suits this piece perfectly. Let me know what you think of this brand new shade in the comments below, and keep your eyes peeled for other colour reveals here on the Dixie Belle YouTube channel. If you wanted to check out any of the other new colours that Dixie Belle have just released from their chalk mineral paint range, make sure you follow the link below this video to the Dixie Belle website, or you can find your local Dixie Belle retailer. Thank you for watching as always, and I will catch you next time. Bye!